Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss new English syllabus for class 10th. This is from National Book Foundation as Federal Textbook Board, Islamabad. We are going to discuss voices, active and passive voice. We have discussed positive sentences. Now we are going to discuss negative and interrogative sentences. First of all, negative sentences are given here. The first sentence is she does not write a letter. This sentence is in present indefinite tense, and in present indefinite tense we always change does into is and do into are. The passive voice is a letter is not written by her. She does not write a letter, and a letter is not written by her. Written is the third form of write. Second sentence is he did not break the glass. This is past indefinite tense, and past will always change into was or were. Accordingly, the glass was not broken by him. Third sentence is they are not watching the movie. The present continuous tense is given here. Passive voice is the movie is not being watched by them. The movie is singular subject, so is helping verb is used here. Fourth sentence is we do not celebrate this festival. Passive voice is this festival is not celebrated by us. Do not is converted into is not. She has not completed the task. The task has not been completed by her. In this sentence, we will use has been. Next sentence is the teacher will not punish the students. Passive voice is the students will not be punished by the teacher. In passive voice, will converted into will be. So as this is the negative sentence, so we will use will not be punished by the teacher. Seven sentences he was not driving the car was not being driven by him. Not is placed between was and being. Eight sentences they had not taken any decision. The passive voice is no decision had been taken by them. Here had been taken is used, and not is converted into no decision. You can also convert it like any decision had not been taken by them, but the good way to convert it into passive voice is that no decision had been taken by them. So, ninth sentence is people do not respect rude behavior. Rude behavior is not respected by people. And the last sentence is I am not sending the email. The email is not being sent by me. Here we can understand that the sentences are given in negative will always convert it into negative sentences. Now this is the next thing that we have to discuss is interrogative sentences in active and passive voice. Here first of all we will use our helping verb. In first sentence, did she write a letter is given, and did is the helping verb which will be converted into was. Passive voice is was a letter written by her. If letter is converted into letters, if we are using letters, then was is converted into were. So here as letter is singular, so we are using was. Second sentence is he cooking dinner? Is dinner being cooked by him? As we know, being is used in passive voice whenever we are given with continuous tense. Third sentence is have they completed the project? Has the project been completed by them? Fourth sentence is does he play football? Is football played by him? Played is the third form of play, and always remember third form of verb is used in the passive voice. Next sentence is will they organize the event? Will the event be organized by them? Next sentence is are you reading the book? Is the book being read by you? Seventh sentence is was she cleaning the house? Was the house being cleaned by her? Eighth sentence is had he written the report? Passive voice is had the report been written by him. As you know very well that the had is converted into had been in passive voice. Next sentence is do children watch cartoon? Are cartoons watched by children? And the last sentence is, can you solve the puzzle? Can the puzzle be solved by you? Always remember, all these sentences are converted into their relevant interrogative sentence. We cannot change them into negative or simple positive sentences. Always remember, negative activized sentence will convert it into negative passivized sentence, and the active interrogative sentence always is converted into passivized in interrogative, not in simple or present, positive or any other tense. This is the little thing to remember, that third form of verb is always used, by is used, and the helping verb is converted into its relevant subject. Whenever subject is singular, you have to use helping verb which is used with singular subjects, and whenever the subject is plural, you have to use plural helping verbs which are used with the plurals. These are the little tips which can make your sentences correct, and you can solve these voices correctly. Okay, thank you for watching.